Disappointed, but clearly because of what happened last week, to all fancy their chances this time around. Talk to me about this.
Definitely, and not just what happened last week, which fancied our chances, but based on the quality of the team, based on how we have been preparing from pre-season coming up. We know that we could have won this game, but credit must be given to Jamaica College. They executed well, especially in front of goal. And I mean, credit must be given to my boys as well. They fought hard. I think there are some areas in the team that we think we could have done a little bit better on, especially in the attacking transition. I think we could have done much better. And I mean, that is one of our strongest points in the team. I thought we did not transition into attack as quickly as we could, and we have to just clean that up moving forward.
But they did some pretty, I call it, effective run-up play. Talk about the strategy.
Well, the strategy was basically for our defense or attack the field for our defense. So those persons who we consider to be weaker defenders, we push them up higher in the field to do the pressing high up the field. One of the things that I respect about these boys is that they do not fear anyone, especially in the front line. They do not fear anyone. And just the way they press the ball, just the way they possess the ball, just the way they attack, especially in the final third, it shows that they're pretty confident.
Not afraid to shoot though. How you fancy the chance going forward now? See now, that's in the last, competitive game going now to the second half.
I mean, we're just taking it one step at a time. We know we have the quality to go very far in this competition, but as it relates to schoolboys, we have to manage them in a game-by-game basis. I mean, even though the quality is on the field, what is most important, especially for us here at Excelsior High School, is to manage the discipline off the field as well as on the field, and not just to focus on football alone. We are here to focus on the holistic development of our footballers, not just what they do in football, but also in the classroom, and so that is also a focus for us here at Excelsior High School.
Well, Last, can you fix it?
What should we fix?
Well, the weak points. Obviously last, but there were some little shaking spots.
That is why we're here. That is why we are the coaching staff, to identify the weakness in the team and nullify those, as well as to strengthen the strong points in the team. Of course, I'm confident that we can fix it moving forward. These boys are disciplined, far more disciplined than we have ever been, and that is the true reason why the team has been playing this way, just because of the discipline. Over the years, Excelsior has not been short as it relates to talent, but the discipline is one of the things that have been holding us back. And me and the backroom staff would have been working assiduously in the off-season to ensure that the discipline is right within the team. And we are confident, just by the discipline of the boys, we are confident that they can do well in this competition and make it all the way. Thank you.